Cayman, open up a path.
Prepare nerve stimulant. Extracting. Black.
Yay! I found an island!
Commander!
20 seconds left.
Your turn now. Satisfy
Let's go.
I'll finish this with my own hands to avenge my daughter.
We know you'll never stop fighting.
I'll stop when they're all dead.
Origin has fallen, its denizens fractured. Recruit a former companion and liberate the planet. The cinders of hope rests in your hands.
May the blessing of the light illuminate our souls.
We are masters of our own fate.
We study the universe with logic and reasoning.
Physical strength is all that matters.
We are masters of our own fate.
After 10 years, your flying got even worse. I thought your time with the Coalition government might have helped that.
And you didn't change one bit. Still talking with that viper's tongue. Fighting with the Coalition government against the invasion was the best option at the time. But now the Coalition only exists in name.
You saved the wrong guy. I'm just a criminal.
I know you've been hunting Astra for clues and have info about them. We can assemble a new research team to work out the movements of Astra.
You've been hanging out with the army for far too long. Have you forgotten I'm still a bounty hunter? What do you have to...
Back to old tricks, S? How about...
Master! My goodness, you're alive!
It is so wonderful to see you again! Please, allow me to conduct a thorough health check for you.
These are the black market robots you modified illegally. You cool.
Now there's the Catherine I know.
Thought you might say that. Here.
Phase activation key. Alright, Cap.
I'm almost insulted, S. We know each other better than that. Starting from tomorrow, I will send people to help you rebuild your city.
Hello, Master. I am so glad to see you again.
They didn't wipe your memory? Fantastic. As you can see, the city's already overrun. We need a recovery plan to restore Ocelot City as quickly as possible.
Of course, Ocelot City has no government. You can start by relocating the underground bounty hunter base, which was built.
Good idea. I've been wanting to do that for a decade.
Let's start from the Bounty Hunter City Hall. It's under that space jazz bar. Follow my guidance and demolish the Nat King Cole pub, which is sitting atop your city hall. The rescue team is about to exhaust the emergency food reserve they carry. We can reclaim some land inside the city and build our own farm. Now you can harvest the crop. A gas well provides energy for our city. Please also build a gas well.
What's going on?
Alerts. Unknown threat detected on the plaza above us. Risk level 3. Please take immediate action.
Unknown threat. Rude little bastards. Good. It should be a good warm-up exercise after being frozen for 10 years.
Nuts! Get off my tail! Help! Is there anyone?
This voice. Why does it sound so familiar?
Four heavily wounded.
How could they have evolved so much? This was supposed to be a small combat and...
Don't kill me! I don't want to die!
Who is it?
Rob 1!
Scanning. Rodent mutant from planet SR388. Wanted fugitive. Aggression level 2. Status. Extremely frightened.
I know who this is.
Don't kill me! I don't want to die! Huh? What you looking at?
Is this... Faye? What's it called again?
My data shows his name is Fluffy. You took on this bounty worth 200 credits.
Ah, yes, I remember now. Been 10 years and you survived, huh?
Get your hands off my head! I'm warning ya, I could have handled it without you if y'all hadn't butted in. I would've...
Try and come hug me, Mr. Fluffy. Would you like some?
Meat, meat, meat!
Don't come any closer, please.
Oh my god, it's been so many years!
Master, I recommend letting Fluffy stay with us.
Not happening! I will not become your captive again! Nuh-uh!
Well, we can do this another way.
What? What do you want? Point that gun somewhere else before... Ooh, ah!
A number of people were rescued with Fluffy. They proposed repairing the infantry barracks to train volunteers into soldiers. Master, you have built an infantry barracks. You may now start training your soldiers. The northern area of Ocelot City is already rebuilt. You may recover the electric generator for the city wall in that area to enhance its defense system. Master, I have dispatched Rob 2 to inspect the old radar system in the northeast corner of the city.
Hey! It's in good condition, but the area has an Astra stronghold, much larger than the one we just cleared. It's too dangerous to deploy our soldiers now.
In that case, Master, I recommend building a Titan. With a Titan, we can greatly reduce our mission time and minimize losses during each mission. Now, please build a Titan following... Your Titan is completed. You need a hero to lead the army on a marching Titan. Different soldiers need to be led by different heroes so that your army can be at its best. If you activate automatic army replenishment, I will choose the best soldiers for you. Now we can recover the radar. We have successfully recovered the radar. Power it on to begin surveillance of enemy forces outside the city wall.
Master, there seems to be something waking up in the southwest.
No, it's Astra!
Quickly, switch on the electric wire. Faye, send Rob 1 to survey the area. I have a hunch that the fall of Ocelot City has something to do with the danger lurking in that area.
Sure, Master. Good morning, Master. I have sent you the details of Rob 1's survey of our city's southwest last night. In the wreckage, we found traces of life. Our analysis revealed low-level bounty hunters and refugees trapped by Astra.
Understood. Prepare the men for extraction.
I have made a rescue plan. Please follow my guidance during the rescue. Master, the situation in the southwest is very unpredictable. With our current combat power, there might be danger.
What about the little tree rat we just saved? Bring him along and we might win.
Master, our system has not detected Mr. Fluffy's presence inside the city.
He's fast. Faye, is there any way we can bring him back quick?
I will analyze the Shadow Realm in our city and connect it with the old info-sharing system. Then we can bring Mr. Fluffy back to Ocelot City through the Shadow Realm. I will show you how to capture Fluffy back to Ocelot City.
Pinecone! I was already so far away, how come I'm back inside this shitty place?
Little tree rat, are you gonna run again?
I know it was you! Ah, nuts! Alright, I must have meat every day, or else!
Shut up if you want any meat at all.
Master, although we have 2 heroes, supporting an extra team is a high cost. If we repair the research center, we can conduct research to support 2 teams more efficiently. We can now send another hero to the south.
Nuts! I just got back and you guys are putting me through all this already? What about your animal protection laws?
Is it you, Mr. S?
Yes, it's me. You're safe now.
S! It's dangerous here. Leave, quickly!
What is it?
There are many.
Faye, send Rob 1 to take a look.
Yes, Master.
S, it's good to have you back. We're at...
Master, Rob 1 has sent back survey results.
Not looking good.
Master, we now have enough soldiers to attack the Astral Hive and take back the Bounty Hunter comms system.
Great! Everything depends on this battle.
Yes, Master. Wish you great success. There is a critical risk in your city. Please use training accelerator to speed. You are strong enough to take on the Astral Hive.
Blades out! Blades out!
Congratulations. Every security risk inside the city has been resolved, but your close supervision over the city is required to maintain a high level of prosperity.
Don't worry, I'll do my best. And
Master, we received a message from Mr. Z on our information sharing system. Do you want—
Z? Is he still alive? Read me the message.
S! I can't believe my eyes when I saw your signal. We all thought you died in prison. Things are worse than ever. You'd be naive to think Astra are your biggest threat. However, after hearing that you're still alive, Denver immediately rushed to meet you. S, stay alive.
Keeping alive's about all we can do now. Faye, where are those scout drones?
In the research center, Master, we can activate them after the scout hangar is completed and have them explore areas around the city. We will plot our next course of action. The scouts are ready. You can now explore freely.
Master,